You first need to substitute the solution from the first equation into the second equation and solve for the variable, in this case y, since the variable was already isolated. Then solve the equation. When you find the value of x, which is 5, substitute x into the first equation and solve the second variable. After solving your equation, you will get y equals 10. To check your final solution, you have to substitute the values for both variables into both equations to show they are correct. As you can see, they are correct, so your final answer will be 5, 10.